Kyle residents and businesses use nearly 4 million gallons of water each day for everything from bathing, cooking, and drinking to swimming and irrigation. Most people just assume the water will turn on when they run the tap, but don't think about how it got there. Have you ever wondered where your water comes from, how many people are involved, or how it's treated before it gets to your home? Drive in and around almost every neighborhood and you can see water towers dotting the Kyle skyline. Our water comes from Lake Dunlap, which flows out from Canyon Lake near New Braunfels. We also have 5 wells in town that draw water from the Edwards Aquifer, and our usage is based upon permits issued by groundwater authorities. The water from the lake is called surface water, and the water from the wells is called groundwater. They are blended and treated once they get into our water system here in Kyle. In the near future, some of our water will come from the Carrizo Aquifer in Lee County through a partnership with the Alliance Regional Water Authority. But for now, the water supply is the surface and groundwater we mentioned earlier. Our water system is maintained by highly skilled and trained water operators who are licensed by the state of Texas. Their job is to add the right blend of disinfectant to make sure the water is safe for distribution to our customers. Water treatment makes sure the water you use daily is clean and safe. After meticulous rounds of testing, water travels to your home through a complex system of underground pipes. Once it crosses over from the main pipes, it enters your home, where you use it for everything you do around your house. Turn on the tap to wash veggies, take a shower, flush the toilet, water your garden, or make a nice cup of tea. Each month, you receive a utility bill from the City of Kyle. It's broken down into several sections depending on the utility services you receive. Some customers receive water, wastewater, and trash service along with a stormwater utility fee. Others receive only wastewater or only trash service. Let's take a closer look at your utility bill. You'll notice something called a water minimum charge. This is the fee charged by the water department each month. It is a fixed cost that helps pay for infrastructure maintenance, repairs, and improvements. The fee also pays for the meter techs that read your water meter and utility staff that generate the bills. Think of it as the funding mechanism for how the water utility operates. The water usage fee is a different line on your bill. That is the rate you pay for each 1,000 gallons of water used, meaning water that runs through the meter outside your home. In Kyle, as in many other cities, we use a tiered rate structure to encourage conservation. So the more you use, the higher the rate per 1,000 gallons. When it comes to the water usage fee, you as the customer are in control of how much water you use. So each month, you can decide to make 1,000 cups of tea, take 100 showers, drink 4 dozen glasses of water, or irrigate your garden for 2 hours a day. Just know that the more you use, the higher the rate. All of the water that goes down the drain or is flushed down the toilet becomes wastewater. Once the wastewater leaves your home, it travels through a different set of pipes to our wastewater treatment plant. Here, it is treated through a multi-step process, taking out harmful particles and making it safe and clean to be put back into the rivers and streams. Our outflow from the plant is released into Plum Creek and is constantly regulated by the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality, or TCEQ. Take another look at your utility bill. If you receive wastewater service from the city, you will see the same basic structure as the water usage. There is a monthly service fee and a rate for usage. Since there are no meters going out of homes, the rate is determined by averaging 3 months of water usage between December and February of each year. We use those months in particular because they are when most people use the least amount of water. So how can you control costs on your utility bill? We recommend installing low-flow toilets and shower heads, turning off water while you brush your teeth, installing energy and water-efficient appliances, running full dishwashers instead of half loads, and, in general, paying attention to how you use water around your home. Find areas where you can personally cut back. Every gallon not used will save you money, particularly in the winter months when the usage is averaged. In addition to lowering your costs, water conservation has the benefit of being good for the environment. The water we use from the Edwards Aquifer is also from the same source used by hundreds of thousands of residents in our region. By following the recommended watering schedule for irrigation and by reducing water runoff that is wasted, you can see lower bills and know you're protecting our most valuable natural resource.